Hi guys, so I'm going to go get my hair cut today and I thought I'll take you guys on the journey. So I get my hair cut at Ali Tehseen by Ali Raza, and right now what they've done is they've changed the location, so I'm trying to find the place as well as we do this. But I thought that it'll be amazing that if we kind of show you guys how I get my hair cut and like the kind of style I want to get done, because my hair is like unruly AF. I've had some terrible haircuts as a child. I will show you guys some pictures. I once got a pixie cut and it was crazy. Like I actually got a pixie cut and I loved it. I was 18 and I was like, oh my god, I look so good. And then now when I look back at the pictures, you will see the picture right here. Not so nice. But anyways, let me get to the location and I'll show you guys. Before I get there, you guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixed Plate family, and let me find Ali Tehseen and get my hair cut. How are you doing?
I am good. It's so good to see you. It's been a while. Look at that hair growing
I know. It's like been insane.
Oh, wow.
I know. I'm actually doing like a full vlog today.
All right. I like that.
I know. That. So it's like I did all the outside. I did in the car. Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, Ali. So what are we thinking?
So, what I'm thinking, first of all, we'd like to get rid of these few ends.
Yes,
because you want to give more definition to your perimeter. So I want to get rid of these ends, and perhaps, you know, if we can also preserve some of this length, make them sit around in this area.
Okay.
Right? So it's still like, you know, relatively below the shoulder, collarbone area.
Yeah.
That kind of a feel. And then I want to give you some layers, but long layers. Nothing too short around your frame, because I like how this kind of turns into that soft wave that you get with your natural texture.
Yeah,
like
exactly.
That. And it's very much workable with it. So you get the best out of it when you style it and all, but it should be workable with your natural texture. And at the same time, you don't compromise a lot on the length. But you see how this has grown out from our previous time into this A-line?
A-line, yeah.
So I'm going to kind of make it a little bit more squarish, something that goes with the curvature of your head shape. It's going to rest nicely. It's a more forgiving finish. And you get all that playful movement with those longer layers around.
Because the problem is that because of what I do now, I need to be styling it so much that I want it to be like something that I can just maybe just throw on some sea salt spray and just manage.
Yeah, something forgiving.
Yeah, something that I don't need to constantly like make sure that I'm blow dried or.
Yeah,
and you know, like I like that.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Like you see, we're gonna follow the free fall of your hair.
Okay.
So it's gonna get that shape.
Have you seen the grays that have started come out?
Falling. Oh my.
The grays.
This is like 1 and 2. I feel like this is like your cool factor going on right now.
But like this, it's there. It's like coming out. Like guys, one second. Let me show you the grays.
Oh my.
1 second.
Have a look at that.
1 second.
Let's like you gotta hunt for it, and then you'd see like
yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
This is like 1 or 2. I think this is your personal cool factor happening here.
And it's on both sides. It's like I'm
it?
getting old. Look here, even. You guys stay tuned, and I'll see you while getting my hair washed. Okay, so I'm going in for my wash now, and I'm using shampoo. Dikhayega. So we're actually using this keratin shampoo right here, which is sulfate free. And I always use sulfate-free shampoo, and I usually use, what do you call it? Guys, this is the first time, by the way, I'm doing like a full vlog from my phone. So let's see how it turns out. I hope you guys enjoy this. But anyways, I'm going to get my hair washed and get it prepped up for my cut. Wow. Like, really need to steady my hand also at this. Not pretty. Like,
Oh, yeah.
okay, Ali, let's start with the cut.
All right.
So phase 1 of my cut is done.
We're gonna dry this out, but before we do, we're looking to clarify your hair.
Okay.
Remove all the debris and the buildup, and sort of like ease it out for you because you have this concern.
Yeah.
So we'll try and take
Yeah, so
care
basically
of
what's
that.
happening is that like my scalp has been feeling a little itchy and like and you know it is not lice. I don't have that shit.
It's the dryness
It's the
and
dryness.
like the fact that you wash it with hot water.
Yeah, hot water.
And all that. So we're gonna try and clarify the root area a little
Okay,
bit.
perfect.
So it's a little more forgiving for you. It's easier. It doesn't give you that concern anymore. We're gonna let that shampoo sit in there for a little while.
Okay, so my treatment is done. So what they did was there was this, I think, clarifying treatment that they were doing, which they put on my hair. They left it in for about a few minutes and then they washed it and then they conditioned my hair totally. So I'll let you know how the whole thing kind of turns out. But yeah, it was quite nice.
Look at
That's
that.
looking quite good.
Quite nice, and it's
I
like,
know.
look at that. It's resting in that perfect
In that
place.
perfect place where I wanted it to rest.
And so much like movement with this. You're gonna have so much fun styling these.
I actually am just gonna let it be. Like I'm gonna just possibly just put in like some sea salt spray and like.
And it's gonna be super forgiving, like you saw it, like in a straight finish in your
Yeah.
natural texture.
Yeah.
So it's gonna rest really nicely. Just a little squirt of product, a little sea salt spray, like you said, and it
Yeah.
can work. It's one of those practical cuts.
No, it's a very, very fun cut. And you guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixed Plate family.
And don't forget to follow
Ali Tehseen.
Tehseen.
Yep,
And-
follow them. And they're on Instagram. And if you're ever in Lahore, do check them out. Come to Ali Tehseen or Ali Raza. This is Ali Raza. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.
All right.
Bye.